Hello student, good morning everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class one of the chapter trigonometry had been finished. Today I am going to start new chapter coordinate geometry. Dear students, in previous class we have learned about x-axis or abscissa and y-axis or ordinate. Dear student, the distance between y-axis is known as x-coordinate or abscissa, and distance between y-axis is known as abscissa, and distance between x-axis is known as ordinate. Dear students, suppose given y o y dash and x o x dash, two axes intersect at point O, then O is origin, and here given 2 points A and B whose coordinate is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Dear students, x coordinate abscissa, the distance of a point from the y-axis is called x ordinate, and the distance of a point from x-axis called ordinate. Now, finding distance formula, given 2 points A and B in a Cartesian plane whose coordinate is x1 y1 and x2 y2. You draw AL perpendicular to OX, BM perpendicular to OX, and AL perpendicular to BM. Dear student, just explain abscissa. So distance from y-axis is known as abscissa. So here AL equal to y1 and OL distance from y-axis, that means OL equal to x1 and OM equal to x2. So LM equal to OM minus OL, that is x2 minus x1, and LM equal to AN, and AL equal to y1 and BM equal to y2. So BN equal to BM minus NM, and BM equal to y2, NM equal to AL, AL equal to y1. So BN equal to y2 minus y1. Now in triangle ANB is a right triangle. So by Pythagoras, AN equal to x2 minus x1 and BN equal to y2 minus y1. So by Pythagoras, AB square equal to AN square plus BN square. So AB equal to, here given AB square equal to AN plus BN square. So AB square equal to AN equal to x2 minus x1 square plus BN equal to y2 minus y1 square. So AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So distance between 2 points in a Cartesian plane whose coordinate is x1 y1 and x2 y2 equal to AB equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Dear students, if distance from origin to any points in a Cartesian plane, suppose distance from origin whose coordinate is P, X, Y, and here O, 0, 0, then x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square, that is OP equal to under root x square plus y square. So distance between 2 points whose coordinate is x1 y1 and x2 y2 is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So see one example of related to distance formula. Let us move. Dear students, first question of exercise 7.1 is given 2 points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Find the distance. Let P 2, 3 and Q 4, 1 are 2 points by distance formula. Given 2 points P and Q by distance formula, PQ equal to under root x2 minus x1. Here x1 equal to 2, y1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 4 and y2 equal to 1. So by distance formula, PQ equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square is equal to x2 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 square is equal to 4 minus 2 square plus minus 2 square equal to 4 plus 4, that is 8. That means 4 equal to 4, 8 equal to 4 into 2, so 2 root 2. So distance of PQ is equal to 2 root 2. So dear students, you solve in same way other question of question number 1, and today's class is over and your homework is do examples of exercise 7.7 with question number 1. Thanks, have a nice day. Your first question of exercise 7.1, find the distance. Given 2 points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Let P and Q are 2 points whose coordinates is 2, 3 and 4, 1. So by distance formula, here x1 equal to 2 and y1 equal to 3, x2 equal to 4 and y2 equal to 1. So by distance formula, PQ equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So 4 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square, that is 2 square plus minus 2 square. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 equal to 4 into 2 and 4 equal to 2 and root 2. So distance of PQ equal to 2 root 2. So dear student, today's class is over and your homework is do examples 1 to 4 of chapter 7. So thanks, have a nice day.